We dey salute una for outside the country people them another time, and na time for we for tell una according to the latest story the way they enter for inside we here. Inside we strong number for this afternoon, people them for Pozam. Now for that side so for Newtown Areoport. Now for they with them say they don't wake up this morning time they make waka for vex. They the beg say make uniform people them to they put eye inside quarter as well they put eye for this African Nations Championship where they happen. This early morning time, now some Benin man waiting people they meet up box the eye, take collars, cut the head with the yesterday man. He never die for now. He dey for on top hospital bed. The thing he make people them for inside Pozam for that side for Newtown Areoport quarter. They be come out for road for talk say security. He don't come out inside their own place. Inside Torito for this afternoon we go take una. We enter for this fire where he attack Dubai snack bar. Now for that side, so for inside Bonaberry, Douala for subdivision. The cause for that fire with the year, say now some fish where they bring away, they be don't first spoil. After they fix them, bring them. Now for the same fish where the fire is start catch, we burn that snack bar up and down. We go to talk with the person where they look at the snack bar this afternoon. To reset, we go take una. We enter for inside chapter 2 for phone. Commander for Halkomi 3, where they look at north. Garwa and Gaundere side, Commander Jude Mofo. He says every day outside for work, another set for telephone them where you don't catch them, where it concern the people that way they buy the telephone, the one can say for inside the country, but they no respect the normal road where they get for pass. We go give you two update Tori where it concern this chapter for African Nations Championship where it happen. Sabi say Group D, they go enter for inside the Ndamba today for that side, so for Limbe and with the here security it don't turn up strong for say no nothing it no go worry. Then Dambawe get for pass inside Omnisport Stadium from Geme from 5 o'clock newspaper day and even chapter for Corona. We go talk for now big part talk for this afternoon in the tell we say Pikin where he get now only one close he no go follow his friend them he go play under rain. I say Pikin where he get now only one close he no go follow his friend them he go play for under rain. Big patok he come out now for Taximan El Musa where the look we just now for that side, so for Boya inside Southwest region. We return back small time. Good afternoon, country people. Them Congo side the enter for we here just now, but we go solely make our own investigate after. We never yet be sure. So now for BB Grammar, we go talk say unconfirmed story where the enter we here for side for Ombe. It tell we say one of these uniform people them moto where he carry people them from Boya. It go for Limbe. It don't tumble side for inside some Banga farm, Banga bush for that side. So for Ombe, so we talk now Congo side. It be unconfirmed. They say na moto, this amok moto them, amok car them, where he carry people them where he be they go for Limbe. Say don't make accident for site for Banga bush for road for go for Limbe. We go they make investigate for tell una but we here say that they come out people there they be there inside that moto just now as well as Sabi. Now Limbe we all attention day for today as we Group D for this man Ndamba Shan it go they happen. So that one I just Congo side we just enter we here but that's all talk unconfirmed. We go follow up that story for Teluna as we the thing pass subsequent inside Tori for Tori house inside Tori says for this afternoon we go start now for Douala here quarter Tori them day Katie news a day make we take una go for that side so for Newtown Areoport Newtown Airport quarter place where they call them College Pozam. Now for that side country people them will go take una land for the just now as one as the see population for inside a Pozam quarter. They say they don't tire. So teeth people they attack people them for inside quarter. Tweet people they don't over plenty. Insecurity inside the quarter. So for that side, so for Pozam, it don't make them. Them say they don't tire. They know the feel for sleep, lock eye, or their eye them. Now for sick as a thief. Waiting to make the people them provoke this afternoon. According to Tori we enter we hear the tell we say this early morning time around 4 o'clock. Some Benin man where they do Benin with the horse them. It be the one go come out for outside the house. They say some group for boys them attack this Benin man, box the eye them, then take collars, pass, cut the hate. We hear say that man he dey on top hospital bed just now for Lakentini. Now after this last one we pass, we population say for Pozam, they don't come out, they don't talk say it don't too much, say they don't tire, they know the fee for sleep, for sika thief for inside them quarter. They debate just now, say make uniform people them. As when they talk for them, chapter for African Nations Championship, made them say they put security plenty inside place where they call them say Pozam. Yes, now the quarter name that for inside Douala here, where it is so insecurity, it don't too much, and they beg na beg, say may they try for see, wait where they go do, and the latest case we provoke them, now man where they box the eye, then take collars, broke his head, even as we sote now, with the man never yet die, with the prayer to say may that man where they for Lakentini hospital, he well, but on the other side, with the beg to say may security people them, they put special eye for quarter for Pozam, for Newtown Airport, as we they call them. We will come up for insecurity, we talk this fire two-way is surprise, people them for that side, so for Dubai Snack Bar, now been a place inside Bonaberry, Douala for subdivision, for Littoral Region. Now around that kind of 10 o'clock on a Tuesday or on Monday, on the people them, on Monday, breaking Tuesday, we fire SSF a cash for that snack bar, and Sabi said according to Tori we enter for we hear the snack bar, it then up and down, it means say you get upside, and another people there they enjoy to for down. Fire just start cash, and the population where they be there inside, they say plenty people them, they only jump now from up, good for down, for sika the way the fire be the fall for down. Waiting it provoke this fire for that side, so for inside Dubai Snack Bar, as when they try for talk for we, they say now some fish where it be don't first spoil, where themselves they be don't first talk for people there they bring them, may they come out them, they come out the fish, they talk say they don't fix them, bring them where they bring them back, now the fish, we are from the way fire SSF is start cash, and the people there they make, the people there they look at the snack bar, they be start use their own thing for lost fire, after where they say I'm say we no day, now for the way they call, 118, now so to Commander Kadri Abdel, and even Commander Afu Hansel, or they be come out, for go see as well they go lost this fire, where is surprise people there they be the enjoy for snack bar, for that side, so for Douala for subdivision, no person he no die, no person no get caught for now, according to Toriwe he enter for we ear, manager for that snack, he talk for we man, Cheromanus.
Now Dubai Bonaberry, this Dubai VIP for Bonaberry Douala. Last night will be a very bad night for us. The night will really start bad. It will be around 10 o'clock, 10:30 where some fish where Brazzaville we can take them for we for go fix, and the fish will get problem. We'll call the medical carry them go. They carry them go, say they don't arrange them back, bring them. So the fridge. Yesterday fire start from back the fridge. From the fridge, he pick for walls them, and walls them he pick whiskey. You know, a snack day with whiskeys, all other one them. So the fire generates to something else. So all the two snack, they up and they down, everything be burned down to ashes. But the only thing we thank God is no injuries, no will be sustained, and the hotel department, the hotel part for Dubai, it still be functional and it be up and down. The hotel will be affected, everything for the hotel be okay.
And just for Sabi, after it happened for night, we'll be turned back for Bonaberry this afternoon. And the snack bar also enter for the rose necessary. When I go take on our own eye, see I'm saying this, so the fire really burn. Now speak at them this, where they play Mutumbu inside way cash. And you see say even the top side for inside the snack bar, all thing a burn for the country people them also turn inside snack bar. Where they hear say they just come out for fix the snack bar again for sake of this African Nations Championship, where they sabi say maybe some change at the day where they go one for Discover Town, where they go land two for that side for inside the snack bar, but all thing it burn as so on see am. So total no nothing in no the way it no spoil inside this fire way it come out for that side. So for this snack bar for Douala for subdivision country people them, so all the place it burn, and as so I talk for now place where they up and down, whether na the the up or the downside, all thing e burn, no nothing no dey wey they be comot am for day, the speaker them, the tele them, the chair and all other thing the way the people them, they be don't put them inside that snack bar for Douala for subdivision, all thing fire, e burn am, e no left no nothing, and as so talk for now, na fridge, na from fridge where the fire is start, and them too they be use their own fire extinguisher, fire fight something for start for lost their fire, but last that one it no be help, and by the time when they be one call army rescue people them, we it be already late somehow for sick as a fire, it be already start for catch for the whole place, but army rescue people them too they be last land for day, they just do nothing where they be get for do, for say make the fire it no come out, for side way it burn, it enter for different sides, so plenty losses, as so now don't see them, and as we hear now just this year again where they be put money plenty for make the place if they change face of the place, as we it is so change them they be the enter for country, but last we no sabi how many of the change them reach for day, now fire if they reach for day before they change them say where they become for day, so now they left over that nothing that will remain for Dubai snack bar for inside Bonaberry for Douala. Now the loss is the manager, it take time for so for talk for Che Romanus.
We just recently come out for do renovation. We do renovation 3 months ago. We open way. We start back afresh. So now we don't really get the cost, but the cost is too much. The cost plenty. As this fire be start, we use the fire extinguisher that will get on count more than enough extinguisher them for all the position of Dubai. We'll use all the fire extinguisher them. We'll try to stop the fire, but the pressure will already be more than we. Now then we will call in the help of the fire brigade where they come to do the wait where they defeat do have, but it still happens. Say all things calm down. The only thing we thank God because no injuries be sustained. Everything, all the customers that they for hotel will successfully move them all with no scratch and no bruises. All them they find everybody they safe. All man it's in them they safe.
Yes, and something to be our eye no be pass, so no be see am na bottle mimbo them. They try for talk for we to say for sika say plenty alcohol it be there for inside the house. Now why that way they no be fit for control the fire for sika say alcohol. So if you see plenty bottle mimbo them, we all them to the burn now for inside fridge. The same fridge when now from the way fire system is start for inside that snack bar. So they say now for sika this alcohol too it be there plenty where it make the fire too for cash plenty it burn the whole place. So one man in net, he don't lose his, but with the year say they don't already start for do work for the place again. We mean say anytime from now the place he go turn back again to normal. We go left that fire for that side, so for Dubai, we enter for this other work. We now from Gaundere for big office for custom. Now for this way they so big man for custom. Halcomi 3 where they call him Commander Mofo Jude and amend them where they don't need do better work. Now Commander Mofo Jude be that way the top 40 we. It says it take time for do it in. It show we plenty phone them where it they so it don't enter for inside Gaundere. They phone them. They be the enter from Gaundere for backside and Sabi say Commander Mofo Jude where he know the play will know nothing. He dey respect all the commandeer according to where Ngomna he don't put them and according to law where Ngomna don't put them. He show me phones them where they catch him for some party man where he don't go buy him from Nigeria. There be one pass for backside. Sabi say all phone them. We Sabi say tax for phone them. We don't care put a will cry. But just now people they also thief enter. So now for the backside place them where they catch that phone them. According to where Commander Mofo he talk for we say be the show Sabi say the man he get one option now for pay the money where we get for pay and for custom people them then they put them from Ngomna a bank or he left the phone them where Ngomna go see as way he go take sell the phone then he do it in he put the money back for inside bank so the man also get opportunity for take a phone if and only if he pay the money where he get for pay for custom people them. Now for for inside Yaoundé. Amateur club president them, it means a club that way they never reach professional level. That one there for Division 1, Division 2 for regional level. Now then say they strike on a Monday and they be going for Fecafoot. And the thing where vex the club president plenty. Now say na them, they vote the president where they call him say Seydou Mbombo Njoya put him on top chair. They don't understand why when the one comes so see the same president where na them they vote him, then police people them they deny them, say they no enter for inside Fecafoot office or see him. Waiting be their problem. They say FIFA, World Football Governing Body, the people that they look on Damba, they be sign book, a court of arbitration. It talks waiting, say a president for Fecafoot just now, they no see him again. For Sika say they council that vote where he brings Seydou Mbombo Njoya on top chair. Now they can't meet up president for asking why he never obey the commander will come up for court for arbitration for sport. Where he did so, they don't sign. Now where they so they deny them. But one of the president them, they no be Lassie, Seydou Mbombo Njoya, one of the vice president they be come out for Kamsi Oga Akwe Domingo, where he says be the top on behalf of the other president them. He said next time if they come for the same Fecafoot, then police people they disturb them. They no go be combi with the police people them again at all. For Sika say na them they vote them, put them on top chair. They no see why they want enter for place when na them they put person on top chair, then they deny them. And number 2 thing, they come for Kansabi where we Seydou Mbombo Njoya, he never so come out on top chair. But Pafesiki when a talk man inside Fecafoot, he don't talk say true court for arbitration for sport. He talks say me Seydou Mbombo Njoya he come out for chair. But FIFA when I look out on Damba for country, he too don't sign. Say me the same people there they vote them, they continue for Shidon on top chair for some half time before they go check sense. But the club president they talk say according to them the thing it no sound fine for inside their ear as well they talk for we. Now inside chapter for problem for Southwest and Northwest as well they talk just now for that side. So for inside West region, Gratango Minister for Territorial Administration he don't go land for in between Matazem and Bachua for Babaju inside Northwest and West region for Cameroon. Now for this same place where Gratango is so country people, now for the same place where it is so it never overtake. Now 2 weeks ago we'll talk for now for some Friday say some boy there with gun they attack some police people them on gendarme people them where he left 6 people there where they die. 4 gendarme, we get 4 police, 4 uniform people them, we get 3 people them where be then a gendarme and 1 police and the other 2 civilian them. So Gratango he go for the place where the attack happen. He be there in a governor for West region, our Fonka Augustine, and governor too for Northwest, Adolphe Lele Lafrique. And Gratango he don't talk. Say just now the 2 way they talk for the security people them. Now for say make their eye them shine like say he no be there about lock before. For say say now any man where they come, they get for check up, but they never talk. Say me they make open eye for civilian them. They get for do their normal check and they no want any person where go one make like say he go the distract people work people them for place where they do and so they take time explain them for Gratango wait will happen and Gratango don't repeat again for talk say Nkunkuma he don't talk say boy the way they so they with gun made the level enter for DDR center or na soldier them they go by force them for do that kind of thing. So Gratango he says don't take an eye for go situate pass and he don't give own order na say waiting make security people uniform people them where they dey for that border place for Bachua for Babaju and even for Matazem for that side. So for Northwest region made them say they try for see as well they go come out and ensure say waiting make no nothing no day where he go can't disturb them country people them as well wanna say wanna sabi and something the way our eye catch am maybe Gratango no see am man did the see Ludo no now that Ludo where that uniform put they play. So when boy they come they no go fit sabi say people they can Ludo that it means when they dey for that control place they play the Ludo they no dey even concentrate. So how boy they no manage sabi say the people then they no concentrate na Ludo that. So Gratango you don't see that Ludo no they don't throw am because you dey around na that. So you see am say na Ludo sometimes they play Ludo sometimes they play card. So when they play and so that boy they fake campus they spy they say they no dey concentrate automatic they must attack no. So that thing then Ludo cat and other small thing them make they deny am for control post for police people them even tele e no get for video na understand no they dey for day na for work and their eye get for shine 24 on 24. If Ludo dey automatic they go distract them. So now that Ludo are the suspect where he make am before these uniform people there, they be do a battle control post, they no be stand up fine say they so they go attack them. So they get for Commander Ludo for that place. And Sabi say before Grand Tango be one go for West region, he start now for Northwest region for inside Cameroon for place where they call them Bamenda. Grand Tango it be day on Monday for do security in Dongamen with governor for that side Adolphe Lele Lafrique. And for inside that Dongamen where Grand Tango be get, he talks everything saying Kunkuma he don't already win that fight with people that way they want divide country. And according to Grand Tango, Kunkuma don't give the people them chance. We say may they let them go on, but the one the way they also throw hate where they show them they say the uniform people then they too they go show them to say they no feel hold gun against their country. Grand Tango he don't congratulate to Oga City Mayor for that side. So for Bamenda they call it say Paul Tembeng where SSF he don't they continue for the fight country Sunday them and Grand Tango talk say make it so go now for before for Sika waiting for Sika say he dey so he ngom too he go put his small help for say make it fight the country Sunday where he dey worry plenty people them. Now Oga City Mayor says that one of the CE all man must wear a mask so na no fit see face they don't congratulate he for Sika waiting say he don't dey fight country Sunday and he dey show say Monday them he dey ever be active according to wetin Grand Tango talk and they say Ngomna he go put his small support for continue for the fight the country Sunday them inside place where they call am say Bamenda Besabi. According to Grand Tango he say the security condition for inside Bamenda he know the overshake again apart from some small trade where is also there for inside. We go inside this chapter, country people then. We go come up for Grand Tango Iwakam. We enter for inside chapter for Corona. According to the latest update, we'll get them for John Hopkins University this afternoon. 95,577,274 people. Total case for Corona sick people them since we enter inside the whole world. 52,653,958 people that are already well from the sick since we come for the whole world, and 2,041,098 people them that already died since the corona come for the whole world. John Hopkins University, the latest update will get them this 19th day for January 2021. Inside different country the way they give them their own country people them update all time. We go enter first inside place where them column say waiting for place where the column say waiting. South Africa on Monday 9,010 people them where they get corona with doctor them cash and with the sick for their skin. 7,653,371 people. Now the total test that with doctor they don't do one for South Africa. 1,346,936 people they don't already catch corona for inside South Africa. Inside that number 1,117,452 people they don't already well from the sick, and 37,449 people them they don't already die since we corona he enter for South Africa. Nigeria for Buhari he own country just now on Monday when a number 18 day for January 2021 inside Buhari own country. According to the total corona number they will get for that side country people them they try for tell we say waiting number for corona for inside Nigeria it don't climb up. Yesterday they get 1,617 people them 1,617 people them for South Africa for Nigeria on Monday. Total people them since corona enter Nigeria 112,004 people. One day they don't well come up for chair 89,939, and one day they don't die for Sika corona 1,449. Buhari a country just now making give an update concerning this African Nations Championship where they call them say Shan where in the past for we country with small man Ndamba team with them say they go enter again for field on a Wednesday. They be do small issue for before we enter for that Shan. Make we just talk chapter for this attack where it be pass for we border for Gadrabulai side and Central Africa. Moto wana the Siam na Ngongo do them where they by force they enter for Central African Republic where they no be don't give them okay or where they no be there with uniform people them, and they as well they enter that boy them for that side where they deal with gun ground for Central Africa. They shoot the motor them. They don't shoot only the motor, even the driver them too. They be there inside the motor. The two driver them. You see, I'm saying they don't patch their skin. Now bullet where it dey so for their skin where they be by force enter. Where uniform people them they no be sabi. Now boy they will gone for that side for Central African Republic where they walk on top their skin. So sabi say trouble. It dey too for Central African Republic. The border that country people there with gone. They don't talk. Say go up and down. It go hard before they come out them for that boundary place. And inside Shan also go enter for the just now with small man team. Them to they be trained for Olembe. It be dinner on a Monday. Sabi say they be trained for prepare. So they go enter for number 2 Ndamba against Mali. It go be now on Wednesday for inside Ahmadu Ahidjo Stadium. Country people them they go play one of the match them for day after Cameroon Mali. You go get Burkina Faso where it go play against Zimbabwe for inside the same Ahmadu Ahidjo Stadium. And for the training for this man team, Antonio Conceição, where he been at the head coach for we man senior or the big man Damba team, he says be there for look this boy them. Sabi to say them too, they also continue for prepare as we they play qualifiers them for the African Nations Cup where it go come next year when also Cameroon. It go to happen and so the coach says he be there. And just sabi to say Minister for Sport and Physical Education, Professor Narcisse Molekombi, he don't knock am for table concerning the people them where they go for field, where they don't fix them, they go carry their food, them put them on top chair for sake say some other person know they for them before. He don't talk say that one a bad fashion and we see we condemn say na bad fashion. You know go the she don't for feel like say na your parlor with sometime your food and say they feel dirty, then she don't like say they na for inside your parlor. So minister, he don't talk say make country people them they respect themselves. When they go for fee, may they look out the fee and may they look out even small dirty day. May they pick them, come out with them for outside, throw them for dirty place so that our fee them where they just come out for Bilam, it goes also remain fine. So the fashion minister don't deny, say it no fine at all. Just now we go enter for inside the other chapter them. We go take una go for Douala Omnisport Stadium. Wanasabi say it is on Ndamba be place today on a Monday for Bepandam. It consign Togo, Morocco. It concern Uganda and Rwanda, and people them to the day where they become up plenty where they come for can look the Ndamba. And one of the things that we go look and find all my way be the enter fee. It must to cover him up with face masks. That one a law we calf it don't put them, and a law to a uniform people them must to see say all money do them. So population it be there plenty. Sabi say for Sika Corona no be na the total number for people that they be get for enter for fee with the enter as well uniform people then to the turn up they do their work. As well they don't give them order for do am. Yes, not just some of the ambience that will be there for outside. No be na Cameroon be the play, but people there they like Ndamba. They be there for see us waiting that they happen. Make we take this other one. Sabi Seb say yesterday Morocco it be play against Togo for the first match, and for penalty where Morocco it takes score for Morocco. They only go so it end 1-0 for Group B or C for that side. So for Bepanda Omnisport Stadium, Morocco it there for one place, the first spot with 3 points. We get Rwanda and Uganda 1 point. And last Coco for the group, Togo, where they enter for the competition for the first time. Make we take newspaper just now, where it dey for inside we paper. We get newspaper, where they outside today. And the only newspaper, now the Guardian Post the time for tell for we, as we it dey for lookout, as we security, it dey for Norwest, Grand Tango, it don't put your hand for up, it don't high up, say it dey so big man for A to D, it dey win war against people that way they want divide country. You go read to a concern SD for Ndian, where you don't talk to men governor, they try for see as way they go buy this speedboat them for work people them, particular delegates where they don't send them for that side, so for Bakassi, for work, or for Ndian, for work with Jikam, for the first time for their history, they don't get woman executive director, big man, according to which the Guardian Post, it talk for we. Other to read them there, where if you buy the Guardian Post newspaper, you read them. And country people them also on a Sabi Tori House Day for Inside Africa Nations Championship for Douala own it don't pass. People them for Fako Division Southwest in particular they go the look this number today. Limbe we get Zambia, Tanzania, Namibia, Guinea and all them they go play today beginning 5 o'clock for evening time and the last match it go be for 8 o'clock as way it don't ever be or 7 o'clock as way it ever be. So na two matches Ndamba they go play for Ngeme Field as we hear security too. It don't turn up strong. So our ear there for ground anything on I go here. Country people them once a big thank you for Ndam Mitterrand. We put camera from her before this afternoon. For outside we get Zephyrin Gondi. Thank you to Malis and Nadine with the help for Semek Tori Iwaka fine. And if Papa God help we go meet up when in 8 o'clock tomorrow, Wednesday, on a whole tight.